Hello, best friends. Right now, I'm packing to go to Lagos right now. I want you all to join me and using public transportation. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Just whatever, just let me know. Give this video a thumbs up and share this video, guys. See you. So I needed to take over the voiceover real quick. I know you all are kind of like, what's going on in the background? There's so much noise and everything. Yes, guys. Currently, I'm in a bus going to Aton, and guys, this is the bus. So from my school gate down to Aton, you pay from this bus now. They said it's 100 naira, but typically it's 200 naira if you're going with keke. That's what we call it here. That's tricycle. Okay. So that's it. So don't be frightened if you're hearing all these noises. Tell you what it is. This is reality. I needed to just put this out there before we continue. Okay? So this journey actually takes less than like 15-20 minutes. So that's it. It's not that long, okay? Currently, I'm in another bus, and this bus we're going to Agbara, and as you all can see, this is the road that a lot of people pass through every single day. And guys, like no be beans, a lot of suffering, the dust that goes on. That's why you all are seeing me in this outfit. My nostrils are covered. I wore my eyeglasses. I covered my hair. Like I wore a net. Then I had to tie this scarf to cover my ears. It's a lot of process, guys. And the government, they need to work on this. Look at this. Look at the dust, guys. Look at this dust. A lot of dust. A lot of the passengers, co-passengers, they didn't even cover their nostrils. They didn't cover their faces. Nothing. And this is what people go through every single day. This is something that is so alarming. And all the roads, majority what am I even saying? I'm even getting overwhelmed. Even talking about this over this video now is making me feel emotional. A lot of issues like needs to be addressed, honestly. Now this part of the road is tarred, no dust. But this is like one out of 1,000. Then many like almost 900 or something is all bad, dust everywhere. But friends, we're still like I'm still on the bus. So I don't know if you all saw earlier on before this next clip where I was pointing at that thing there where you can pull your hands. Do you know that because of the fact that we were four that were seated on that roll I sat in, we were all squeezed. So my head was always hitting that stuff, and it kind of affected my neck. Like till yesterday, I was still having neck pain, guys. Neck pain, just because of the fact that my neck was strained because I had to bend it. Best friends, right now I'm in Festac and I'm on a bike. I'm trying to go sort out my phone because I got a message from MTN saying that my line is going to be disconnected. I was like, what's going on? So I had to run to the staff to go sort that out. So this bike man that is carrying me currently, I felt it was kind of nosy because it was kind of looking left and right. I think it was sensing like I was videoing the whole whatever that you all are seeing now. But I just felt like he just had to face his front, for goodness sake. Why are you bothering yourself? So right now I am at MTN Festac. So I'm waiting, like there's a queue, and I'd already like written my name down, so I just had to like chill to wait for my turn. So that's basically what I'm doing here, and you all could see that from the way I bent my neck, it's actually aching me. So here I'm still waiting. I'm just chilling. I'm just checking out the environment. The environment is actually really calm and soothing. And yeah, I'm just chilling. That's just, you see, I'm not going to even bother myself. Regardless of the fact that the whole Aton Road was just a mess. But I'm not even gonna lie, bother my, and the fact that my neck is still paining me, no problem. So best friends, I had to like branch trade fair to get some items, okay, like I need in school. I just had to do that quickly, and this is where the items that are on my lap. So obviously I'm in a public transportation, like I've already told you guys from the beginning. That's like a norm, but regardless, that narrative will have to change like moving forward, because I just can't stand road transportation. I don't know if you're like me that does not stand road transportation. Let me know in the comment section below. Lagos for like an hour and few, sorry, I went to Lagos for like a day and a few hours, and I'm back to the hall. So I got this, guys. I don't know if you know about this. If you know what this is, let me know right now. If you do not know, this is what they call golden melon. It's like watermelon, but the difference is maybe when I open it, then you all can see clearly. That will be like another vlog, because obviously I'm not taking it this night. It's already night as it is. Like I said, I got some items, so I'm just trying to like unwrap all of them. I got Milo, I got Loyal milk, I got some bar soap to wash clothes. Then I got this wool. I'm currently rocking it with my hair at the moment. Then I think, what's this? This is Bama, and this is granite, I think. So that's it for now. So I'm just trying to like clean up everything, get set, like just basically rest for the night. Then we'll see how tomorrow is. Tomorrow is Sunday, and by God's grace I am going to church. I don't think I've gone to church for a while. Like, it's been a while that I have gone to church, and one of my classmates, so I'm going with her. So basically that's it. But right now I'm kind of feeling tired. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm feeling really tired, guys. Really tired. Like, but regardless, we're gonna make it. So I'm just gonna go have my bath now. The weather is actually cold. I've already boiled water. I'm just gonna have my bath, and God, I need to iron what I want to wear. So I might show you guys all of that, the outfit I'm wearing, or maybe it's gonna be tomorrow by God's grace. But regardless, I'm glad to be back to school. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So I'll see you next. I don't know when, but I'll see you guys later. Hello guys, good morning. So this is another day, Sunday. I'm preparing to go to church. This is my outfit. I'm still getting like dressed, so I just wanted to like come say hi. So guys, I'm set. I'm off. So it's kind of, this is the gown. That's it. So guys, I'm almost set. I am actually set. Like set. So this is what I'm wearing. Okay. Just gonna be slow and steady. Winning the race. Yeah. Okay guys, I think I am set. These are my shoes. Guys, do you love my shoes? Beautiful. And then guys, this is my feet. So guys, I just wanted to wish you all a great Sunday. I do hope you enjoy yourself. If you're going to church or if you're going to be indoors, just do your thing. At the end of the day, it's one-on-one relationship you're having with God that counts. So guys, yeah, so I'm just gonna like start going now. I might like show you guys all of that. I might show you the church as well. I'm not sure, but let's see how it goes basically. And I don't know, my tummy is spinning me. I do hope the pain goes away soon. I don't know if it's indigestion or something. I'm not sure yet, but so this is my outfit, guys. Do you like it? It has a pocket. It has a pocket. Okay, bye for now.
Jesus, and please be seated. We call ourselves the worship next second service. And we read from Psalm 67, verse 1 to 7. Psalm 67.
So, hi guys. So I'm currently drinking my breakfast. So I'm back from church, and I must say that it was really cool. I really enjoyed the service. Like, it was beautiful. I really felt good, honestly, regardless. So now I'm eating, and yeah. So basically, today I was supposed to like wash my clothes today, but I don't think I'll do that again. I'll have to like shift it to tomorrow. So today I'm just going to like edit all my videos that I have not edited. Like, I have a lot of videos, I've not yet edited them. So maybe this one that you guys are watching now, I really don't know when I'm going to upload this. So it's when I've like edited the outstanding ones, then this one will now like come in. So that's it for now. Then I'll just like prepare myself for tomorrow, which is Monday. I still have some errands to like go for. I mean like, what am I saying? Like, I'm in a group where we're organizing something, so I think we have to like go out, but not now. I think that will be like by 12 noon. So I'm just going to like use this time quickly and just do what I have to do quickly. So guys, I do hope you enjoyed this vlog so far. I really don't know how this vlog is, but please do subscribe to the channel, give this video a massive thumbs up, and yeah, share this video as well. Thank you all so much. See you in none. Okay, I'll see you when I see you guys. I know I'm all over the place, but please just bear with me, please.